Depending on the application, machining times have become shorter by 40 up to 70%, which is due to the new technologies of machines and tools. On the other hand, machine downtimes have in relation become longer and longer. With clamping methods like this, it is therefore no longer possible to produce cost efficiently. We have got the solution. STARK presents SPEEDY, the STARK zero-point mounting system for a pelletized, flexible, high-precision and cost-efficient production. The workpiece is clamped with zero-point reference on any clamping device outside the machine while the machine is cutting. This reduces machine downtimes depending on the application by approximately 90%. For pelletized production, the interface between the machine and the workpiece is of essential importance. No matter whether for setting up, milling, turning, grinding, eroding, measuring, and so on. The core of the interface consists of the STARK quick-acting clamping cylinder and the STARK multifunctional nipple with positioning collar with a 0.002 mm tolerance value for XY positioning. This STARK multifunctional nipple is tightened mechanically by a retainer and a disc spring with 6,700 till more than 30,000 newtons. It is released with 40 bar oil pressure through the pressure intensifier. The clamping process is therefore tubeless and pressureless. An air supply of 6 bar is required for this unit. A well-considered assortment of retractile nipples offers you a wide choice for your flexible production. The retractile nipples can be screwed into the already available clamping devices such as perforated pellets, special fixtures, or directly into the workpiece. No complicated specific or standardized interfaces such as adapters or pellets are necessary. You determine the kind, arrangement and number of the STARK quick-acting clamping cylinders yourself according to your specific requirements. Thus, you realize an unrestricted, flexible and cost-efficient production from small to bulky parts. A uniform setup of the cylinders allows full interchangeability of your clamping devices on your machines. Without unloading, the workpiece can be processed on any presently available machine. It takes only seconds to change to another one. It is thus possible to expand your production to subsidiary companies or external partners without unloading the workpiece from the pallet. We have assorted STARK sets which allow you to build up and expand step by step your flexible production at very low costs. Here are some application examples. The average setting up time for this machine was between 20 and 30 minutes. With pelletizing, however, it is only 2 minutes. Perforated plates become perforated pellets. Set the retractile nipples exactly in the middle of the 40 or 50 millimeters distance between the perforations. The STARK elements, deep clamps, flat clamps and V-blocks have got a 0-point reference. Therefore, the stop elements always pass the center of the bore, which allows a 0-point constant setting up of the workpieces outside the machine according to standard clamping plans worked out by your operation scheduling. At this table, STARK quick-acting clamping cylinders have been built into the table itself. The clamping and unclamping of the pellets is done automatically through M functions. Machining on 5 up to 6 sites without unclamping with a constant 0-point reference. Alternatively, you can manufacture your own clamping pellets or special fixtures on which you use the multifunctional nipples, such as this special fixture, which has been completely machined in 2 clampings only. In the first step, the blank is clamped on a perforated pellet. The base, including the location holes for the multifunctional nipples, are machined. Consequently, the multifunctional nipples are mounted. They will hold the special fixture. In a second clamping, the surface, including the bows and V-blocks, are completely machined. By this process, any geometric distortions specific for this machine are compensated for. The results are clamping pellets with highest precision and fixtures with an accuracy of thousandth parts. Additionally, production costs are reduced by approximately 90%. As a further consequence, you can fully use your machine travel in X and Z at 100%. Pellet sizes are designed so that they allow extra space for the clamping elements at their sites, which means that within these elements you can fully use the travel of your machine. As a consequence, it is also possible with STARK. The time-consuming setting up of 5-axis machines belongs to the past. Due to the configuration of the STARK quick-acting clamping cylinder, a many-sided, precise workpiece clamping with constant 0-point reference is achieved. The STARK 0-point mounting system allows you to machine either single parts or duplicate parts at up to 6 sites in one clamping and simultaneously on a machining center, and to increase the number of pellets for your machine to any number desired. The workpieces are also controlled outside the machine. In case of necessary corrections, the workpiece can be clamped onto the machine in no time for retouching work. A further possibility is unmanned production, with chip-coated pellets, and unmanned robot manufacturing with a pellet pool according to your requirements. Now a comparison of times. One manned working shift amounts to 1,800 work hours per year. The effective machining time of an NC machine without pelletizing is, however, only 600 hours. By manual pelletizing, the machining time is increased to approximately 1,600 hours. With automated pelletizing, the machining time even rises to more than 4,000 hours per year. The program can be interrupted at any time for special production requirements without unclamping workpieces or losing the zero point. For example, an interruption of the batch production because of an express order. A wide selection of accessories contribute to a flexible and cost-efficient production, such as the square STARK quick-acting cylinder for small parts, the quick closing plate as a closed system, manual or semi-automatic pellet change assist, special quick-acting clamping cylinder for especially high demands due to dirty environments on transfer lines, which is self-cleaning, modular clamping systems of other manufacturers. STARK Werkzeug GmbH plans and designs individual and comprehensive system solutions in constant and close cooperation with the customer. STARK, your partner for unlimited, flexible and